Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you are coming back, and welcome if you are new to this channel. So on today's video, without wasting time, we are making lamb ribs. This here 1.1 kgs, and this all of these are our ingredients. So I will start with mixing all our ingredients in this bowl. So this is Royco powder, 2 tablespoons of Royco powder for 1 kg, 1.1 kg of lamb rib. And then here we have curry powder, and then here we have paprika powder, all of them 2 tablespoons. You put them equally. And then we have just a little bit of black pepper. This is black pepper. And then white pepper too, just a little bit. Now it's optional if you like. If you don't like, you don't need to put it. So we are trying to make in our ingredients. And now garam masala. This is mandatory for all your ingredients. If you are making something in the oven, obviously you need to put in garam masala. 2 tablespoons is actually this full lid, kifuniko full. This is 2 tablespoons. So hii yote hapa hivi ni spices. Hizi ndio tunatumia, and you can use your hands. Make sure your hands are clean when you're in the kitchen. Mix your bidhaa zako, and then finally you're going to put in mafuta ya mboga, any that you like using. So you mix this well. Using your hands, you'll get perfect results like this. And then you're going to add in a garlic, fresh garlic. This is garlic. Ukitaka powder, well and good, but I like it like this. So you just mix in well. Even you utapata the best results. Okay. You can have your brown sugar or honey. In my case, I'm using honey. So hii honey tayari imeguzana na baridi, so it's thick. But that is it. So you let it chill for some time. Ukiona imekuwa hivi, utaongeza ndani mafuta later on. But I started by marinating this first. And then now I'll put in my secret ingredients. This is vinegar ya chakula. Reason as to why I'm putting in vinegar is because anything that you're grilling in the oven or on the jiko is for your own good. If you put vinegar and lime, I'm not using anything else. So this vinegar, you just measure amount utataka, so it will bring that sour and sweet, you know. I'm using honey and limau and then vinegar, so italeta ile. So this is what we have for now. So this one, you let it chill as you wash your ribs here. These are your ribs. This is 1.1 kgs that I showed you on my previous videos. In 1.1 kgs. Now I want to open this, wash as this one is cooling down. I can even put it in the fridge. That's what I'm going to do for like 10 to 20 minutes. Kama hauna haraka, that is. But kama uko na haraka, now. And then what else am I going to put in? Ikisha chill, nitaweka ndani lime. I'll squeeze this, alafu nitoe maji niweke ndani hapa. So it will bring sweet and sour taste. That's why you put vinegar, brown sugar or honey, and then unaput ndani hii limau. So that's what we have for now. This is very simple. You can try at home. And yeah. So guys, there is this critical stage that I wanted to explain to you how you do it. So this thing you see me removing is called membrane, and somehow it's very hard to chew, and also it hinders your spices to go deep into the meat. So that's why I'm removing it, and this is a critical stage. If you don't do this, it will hinder your spices going through the meat, and it won't taste as delicious as it should be. So try and remove it. Sometimes it comes all out as a whole, and sometimes it's difficult. So mine did not come as I expected, but you can try. But make sure you remove the membrane off the skin of the meat. So lamb ribs initially are very soft, because you know what a lamb is. So it is going to be cooked for 1 hour, or 1 hour, like less than 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. So yeah, make sure you remove the membranes, and then you season in with the spices. Make sure you apply them with using your hands. You can wear gloves, but for me, I don't wear gloves in my kitchen because I believe in my hands. My hands are always clean. So yeah, just watch the videos and enjoy. So guys, this is our marination. You're going to apply. I don't have rosemary leaves, but if you have, you can go in with it. So you're going to use your hands. As I said earlier, make sure your hands are clean. So you're going to massage in well like this for it to blend in. Like that, everywhere. Make sure you make enough marination. I made mine like a paste so they can stick in. And then this is on the inner side, so you want it to be crunchy on this side. So I'm going to take this is limau or lime if you like. So we are going to add in lime like this on the outside side. Okay, so one side will be sour and the inner side won't be sour. That's if optional, if you like it that way. If you like it all to be sour, because we have kids and might not really need it. So imagine how it looks and it's not even cooked. Make sure you massage with your hands. If you use any other thing, it won't be like how it's supposed to be. Okay, massaging well. Okay, don't mind the background noise. I am a mother, so this is what you're doing. Just be generous with your marination. Okay, so this other one tunabakisha kidogo, tutaweka wakati itakuwa imeiva. Okay guys, so huku sitaki ikuwe na limau, juu tu ndio itakuwa na limau. So this is what we have for now. This is uncooked, the ribs. If you like, you might cut inside, but I want to cook it whole. So yeah, we'll put it in the oven for 2 hours. You want to go? Okay. Yes. You're going to put on your baking tray like that. Spread it well. Even this one, I'm not removing this one because I will give it to my cat when it's cooked. And then I want to cover the lid again. You cover up the meat. You cover your marinated lamb steak with another foil on top for it not to dry off. Okay, just messed up with this thing. I want to make sure natoka vizuri nisiharibu. Mshaharibu tayari, but I'm not sure it's not like that. Okay, so we're going to cover it up like this. So guys, I want to teach you. This is now my secret. Okay. So guys, don't mind our background noise. I have kids in the house. So we're going to cover it up kabisa. But after 2 hours, okay, but you keep on checking. It might take less than 2 hours, but it's supposed to cook for 2 hours. My oven, I'm going to put at 220 degrees for 2 hours. I've covered it like that. The reason we are covering it up is for it to cook and to be moist, but the moment utachungulia uone chakula inaenda kuiva, we'll remove and let it to dry off. I'll show you as we go by. So that is when you'll put in your kitunguu, guys. So I'm going in the oven. I'm going to put in the oven like this for 2 hours. I already set my oven. It's preheated. So we are going to close and let it cook. And 4 hours I've already set. Okay, guys. So meanwhile, I'm going to do this, but I'm going to make some other marination for our potatoes. This is what we are going to use like a side dish. This is what we will be using as a side dish. So guys, you can peel your potatoes, and you can choose not to peel your potatoes depending on what type of potatoes you are using. So this mine, I did not peel them, and this is what you have that you can see there. It has spices somehow, and then I'm checking on my meat to see if it is cooked in the inside, so that I can open the top aluminium foil and let it dry off. Okay guys, so just watch the video till the end. Now it's tender, it's already cooked, but we want the crispy outside part of it to be crispy, so that's why we will be flip for like another 30 minutes and add in your marinade if you have to, the remaining one. Some of you just put in once, but for me I usually prefer adding in somehow later on, and then you add in your onion after flipping sides. That's what I usually do. So it will come out exactly as mine if you leave out some marinade that you're going to add in later. So guys, our meat is already cooked, and this is what we have: crispy on one side, sour and sweet on the other side, and we are going to serve with potatoes. So I'm cutting in into the stripes, the ribs, and see how tender it is on the inside and crispy on the outside, and also like roasted nyama choma. If you know what nyama choma is, it really tastes nicer than nyama choma. And so guys, we are done with our marinated lamb ribs. So this is our end result. This is how tender it is. Natoa tu hivi, and it's very soft. No, very soft. Okay, like crispy on this side but on the other side iko tender, so kama uko na watu they can also eat, but you can also choose to be crunchy all through. Alafu hii iko na very big chunks. Okay, so guys, this is my presentation for you. So mwisho if you like unaweza sprinkle in with your dania. Wanawaambia dania haipikwi, this is up to you. Mimi napenda dania sana, so hiyo ni nimemalizia. And then guys, I'm coming in with my sauce. Any sauce unaweza tumia. Ukitaka unaweza tumia hii, ukitaka unaweza tumia any other sauce. Okay guys, so this is what we have. These are potatoes, zimeiva ndani, ziko crispy and chunky. Unaona ndani zimeiva na ziko overcooked. Okay guys, so this is it for now. If you haven't subscribed, kindly go and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and also go and watch my previous videos. Bye bye for now.